Hi friends, my name is Josh, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Stargazing by Myles Smith. Let's take a look at how that sounds. All right, and we're just going to loop that for the entire song. All right, now let's take a step-by-step look at how we are going to play this. We're going to start here in the left hand, and I'm going to start with an A chord, okay? So I'm going to play an A, C sharp, and E, and then repeat that top A above, okay? That's going to be our first chord, A. Now we're going to take the same hand shape, and we're just going to kind of slide it down here and play an E chord, okay? E, G sharp, B, and E. All right. Now we're going to take a jump up here to a C sharp minor chord. So we'll play C sharp, E, G sharp, and C sharp. And lastly, we're going to go to a B chord, but we're going to suspend it here. So B, E, F sharp, and B, okay? And you hear how it has a little bit of an incomplete sound. A typical B chord would sound like this with the D sharp, but we're going to play the fourth there, which is E, instead of the third, okay? So that's going to be our B suspended chord. All right, let's review those four chords. We've got A, E, C sharp minor, and B suspended. All right? So now all we're going to do is we're going to play them in time. We're going to count 4 beats for each chord. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if that's a little bit fast for you, start as slow as you need to and build up to that speed. All right, so now all that we're going to do, we have the left hand down now, we're going to add in the right hand, and we're just going to play E octaves here in the right hand. So E in the thumb and in the pinky, all right? And the way that we're going to play this for all 4 chords is we're going to be playing on every offbeat. What that means is we're going to be playing in between every time we count one of those numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? If I add in the left hand, that'll sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we're not playing on the beats, we're playing right in between them. Up to speed a little bit faster, that sounds like this. But I'm still counting that 1, 2, 3, 4 throughout all those chords in my head, okay? So the cool thing about this E is that you see it's actually in all 4 of these chords in the left hand. We're always playing an E somewhere. So it always kind of sounds good. It's kind of cool, right? And so we actually have a name for this. We call this a pedal tone when we are repeating the same exact note over a whole song. And usually you would hear a pedal tone down in the bass at the bottom of your chord, but when you hear it at the top above the chord, that's actually called an inverted pedal tone. So just a little bit of music knowledge for you there. Anyways, that's pretty much everything for this tutorial. My name is Josh, and this was Stargazing by Myles Smith. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, hit subscribe so you can see more of my videos, and let me know down in the comments what other songs you'd like to see a tutorial for. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you next time.